We're going to mount some wheels here, but first we're going to true them with our Park TS2. We get it centered in there, then we just start to adjust it. We just go every other spoke. Alright, use our little green spoke tool. We're going to tighten the outside ones here, right in this spot. It'll move it real quick. You just adjust all the outside ones where it rubs, and you just keep moving all the way around the wheel until it doesn't rub in that spot. Then you move your pinchers a little bit closer, and you'll have a true wheel when you're done. All right, there we go. Wheels are pretty easy to true if you're just patient. Work your way around every other spoke, flip the wheel over, do it again, you'll have a true wheel. Alright, we got it looking pretty good here. We're about ready to mount our tire. Looking pretty slick. 26 by 175 cruiser tires. White walls. A few things left. A bolt and a nut right there. Lube the chain. Tension's good. Got to build a bracket for this. A couple bolts for there. Nuts. Doobie 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 doo bop bop. Doobie 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 doobie. We got tires. We just didn't have tubes. Now we've got it all put back together. It's a real good grocery getter. Doobie 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 doo bop bop. Doobie 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 doobie.